Welcome to everyone. Today our topic of discussion is real number system as a complete ordered field. So at first we discuss about some fundamental properties of the set of all real numbers, that is scripter. First property is algebraic properties of R. Second one, order properties of R. Third one, completeness property of R. Fourth one, Archimedean property of R. And the last one is density property of R. So at first we discuss about these algebraic properties of R. So the set of all real numbers R satisfies the following properties with respect to addition and multiplication. First one is, for any two real numbers A and B, A plus B belongs to R. That is, R is closed with respect to addition. Next, for any three real numbers A, B, C, A plus B within bracket plus C equal to A plus B plus C within bracket. So if this holds, then we can say that R associativity property holds in R with respect to addition, and it obviously holds. Next, the third one is, there exists an element 0 in R such that A plus 0 equal to A for any arbitrary real number A. Here 0 is called the additive identity element, or it is called as 0 element in R, and as we know, this 0 element exists uniquely. Next one is, for any arbitrary real number A, there exists the additive inverse element minus A such that A plus minus A equal to 0, and also we know that this additive inverse exists uniquely. Next properties are related to multiplication. Okay, then before going to start this multiplicative property, there is one more, that is, for any two real numbers A plus B equal to B plus A. For any two real numbers A and B, we can write this. That is, R is abelian, or the commutativity property holds in R with respect to addition. Next, the similar properties holds with respect to multiplication as in abelian. The first one is closedness. So this is obviously R is closed with respect to multiplication. Next, the associativity property holds in R with respect to multiplication. Then multiplicative identity, that is 1, exists in R such that A dot 1 equal to A for any arbitrary real number A. Here 1 is called the unity in R, and unity, that is multiplicative identity, exists uniquely. Next, fourth point is, for any arbitrary real number which is non-zero, there exists the reciprocal of that real number, that is 1 by A, such that A into 1 by A equal to 1. So this 1 by A is the multiplicative inverse of A. Next, come to this point, that is, R is abelian with respect to multiplication. For any two real numbers A and B, A dot B equal to B dot A holds in R. Our next property is this. This is the distributive property or distributive law. So it states that for any three real numbers A, B, C, we can write A dot B plus C equal to A dot B plus A dot C. That is, multiplication distributes over addition. So we can see that R satisfies all these properties with respect to addition and multiplication, and the last one, that is this distributive property, is the bridge in between this addition and multiplication, these two properties, these two operations. Okay, so R satisfies all these properties with respect to addition and multiplication. Therefore, R is said to form a field under addition and multiplication. Next, we come to the order properties of R. So come to the order property. So at first, on the set of all real numbers, we define a linear order relation by A less than B if A, B are two real numbers and A is less than B, and it satisfies four properties. Number one is law of trichotomy. So law of trichotomy states that for any two real numbers A and B, either A less than B or A equal to B or B less than A holds. Next come to the transitivity property. It states that for any three real numbers A, B, C, A less than B and B less than C, these two implies that A less than C. Next come to this one. For any three real numbers A, B, C, A less than B implies A plus C less than B plus C. And the fourth one is A less than B and 0 less than C. That means if C is a positive real number, in that case AC less than BC. For all ABC belongs to R, that is for any three real numbers ABC. So if R we can see that the field R together with the order relation this defined on R and satisfying these four conditions become an ordered field. Okay, so at first we discuss about algebraic properties and we can see that R form a field under addition and multiplication, and here in the order property we can see that we define at first we define a linear order relation, then see that these four conditions holds in R. So R together with the order relation defined on R satisfying these four conditions become an ordered field. So the remaining part is completeness property of R, because our discussion is the real number system as a complete ordered field. So completeness property is needed. Next we come to the completeness property. So completeness property states that every non-empty subset of R that is bounded above has a least upper bound. Okay, so this statement, every non-empty subset of R that is bounded above has a least upper bound, this statement is called the completeness property, and since R satisfies this, so R is a complete ordered field. Now what is this upper bound or bounded above? What is this least upper bound? All this discussion we will discuss in the next video, otherwise this video will be longer. So, and also we discuss the Archimedean property, density property in the next videos. So today we basically see the preliminary step of the construction of the field and why it is called the ordered field, why it is called the complete ordered field. Okay, so in the next video we shall discuss more interesting topics. Keep watching and thanks to everyone.